Welcome everyone. This is method number 2 to bypass the Microsoft account requirement on a fresh Windows 11 install or setup. This is a Windows 11 Home Edition. The first thing you need to do is launch the command prompt using the key Shift plus function 10 key. So that is Shift plus function 10 key launches the command prompt. If you type in netspace user, you'll see all the accounts that are actually on the system. Now you need to launch the run command using Windows key plus R, and type in regedit to launch the registry editor. So again, that's Windows key plus R to launch the run command, and you type in regedit to launch the registry editor. Just a note here, guys, that you're going to delete one key value, one registry value, and you're going to modify 4 other values. And please do not skip either one of them, because if you do skip them, you will be locked out of the system. So these registry changes are very important. So so technically that's 5 changes that you need to make. So again, 5 changes. I am so close to 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hour time. If you guys can support the channel, if you can support me by hitting the like button and hitting the subscribe button, it would be much appreciated, guys. The first path is hklm /software /Microsoft /Windows /current version /OOBE, and you can delete the value called launch user OOBE. So just delete the key completely, just hit the delete button. Now that is deleted, you need to go to the next location, which I'm showing you guys here. Again, don't skip the steps, please. If you miss either one of these entries or steps, you will be locked out of your system. So the next location is under the hklm /software /Microsoft /Windows /NT /current version /winlogon. Now we are going to modify 4 entries here. The first one that you need to change is the auto admin logon entry. Change that from 1 to 0. So again, that's auto admin logon. The second entry is auto logon SID. Just blank it out completely. And the third one that you need to modify or blank out is the default username, which is the default user is 0. The last entry, the 4th entry that you need to modify, again technically that is the 5th entry that we're changing, is the enable first logon animation, and we're going to change that to 0, and that's it. Now you can close the registry editor. The next step, again, don't close the command window yet. If you have closed the window, please launch it again. You need to add the user. Do not restart the system yet. You need to do these steps. So I'm adding #TNTCMD as the user. You can add whatever user you like. So this is the command: net space user space /add space the username. And the next thing you need to do is add this user to the administrator group, because this user needs to have admin rights. Do that: net space local group space administrators space the username space /add, and make sure with net space user command that the user is actually there. Now launch the run command and you can safely restart the system. So to launch the run command, Windows key plus R, type in the command shutdown space /R space /T. I put in 2 there to give it a 2-second delay. You don't have to put the 2, you can just leave it blank. Once your system does restart, hopefully you have done all the steps, you will be greeted with this screen that will show you the default user 0, which is the Microsoft account, and the account that you just created. For me, it's #TNTCMD, and I'll complete the setup process here, and you will do that probably on your system, and that is it. You're actually logged in to your computer without a Microsoft account. I'm just showing you guys here the different details of my system, what they are. This is a pop-up because it's a Dell machine, something I've plugged into my audio jack. Again, I'm connected to the network. Again, this is an administrator account. So the most videos that are actually posted, they're on a virtual machine, not actually on a dedicated machine or laptop. So this is actually a proper OEM Dell desktop that I've installed. Windows 11 Home Edition and 23H2 is the version. So first thing I'm doing is deleting the default user because we don't need that anymore. And if you want, you can create another account. Here I'm showing you guys that I do create another account. By default, it is a standard account, so please change that to administrator account. Now I'm going to change the type because the default would be standard user. Make sure you create an administrator account. You must always have a single administrator account, but always work in a normal standard user account if possible, because that keeps your system a little bit more secure. So just a little tip there. And as you can see, I have two accounts now, hashtag TNT CMD, which doesn't need a password, and hashtag TNT we just created using the GUI, which with the password YouTube. So that's it, that's all to it. I am actually going to be posting another method, method number 3 that I figured out also works, which is not a registry hack, and I'll be posting it on my channel soon. So please do stay tuned for that. If this method for some reason doesn't work, and again this is June 2024, but if it doesn't work for you guys, you're welcome to watch the third method as well. I already have method number 1 posted. You can try that as well. So there'll be 3 methods posted on my channel here. And again, stay tuned. Method 3 video is also coming to the channel. Thanks guys. Please hit the like, please subscribe. Take care. Stay safe.